Hello, children. A very warm good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and doing your work sincerely. So, here today, in the previous videos, we have covered nouns and all the types of nouns. So, I really wish that you all have seen that video sincerely and understood noun and its types. So, here today I am with some sentences of noun and its types. So we will play like a quiz in this video. So I have written some sentences for you all. So we will do with a quick revision of all the types of nouns with having a little quiz. So let's start. Her eyes shone with happiness. The word happiness is a dash. सो हर आइज शोन विद हैप्पीनेस. उसकी जो आइज़ थी वो एकदम बहुत हैप्पीनेस शो कर रही थी. उसकी आंखों में बहुत खुशी दिख रही थी. सो हियर व्हाट इज़ नाउन? हैप्पीनेस. सो विच काइंड ऑफ नाउन दिस हैप्पीनेस इज? Is it a proper noun? Is it an abstract noun? Or is it a collective noun? You all have to think and then we will discuss. So, is it a proper noun? Is it a name of any kind of thing? Proper name? Isn't it? No. Is it an abstract noun? Abstract noun means what? As the previous videos we have discussed, abstract nouns of kind of feeling, a kind of joy, happiness. And in the collective noun, what is it? Is it a collection of anything? No. So what will be the answer? C. You have to think all the answers, then I will answer all the questions. So what is the answer of this question is abstract noun. What? Abstract noun. Why? Because happiness is a kind of feeling which we will feel. Question number 2. Mercury is the smallest of all the planets. Mercury सारे planets में सबसे smallest planet है. So here what is the noun? Mercury. So this is a name of planet now. So is it a common noun or is it a proper noun? Abstract noun. This is not having any kind of quality. This is not having any kind of like feeling now. So this will be proper noun or common noun. So Mercury is what? Is it a common noun or proper noun? Let's see. It is a proper noun because there are so many planets and Mercury is one of them. Mercury उनमें से एक planet है और Mercury is a planet, उसका एक proper name है. So this is a proper noun. The committee meets every Thursday. Committee हर Thursday को मिलती है. The word committee is a which noun? Let's discuss. Proper noun, abstract noun or collective noun? Proper noun, is it a name? Abstract noun, is it a feeling? Collective noun. What will be the answer? I think it will be committee. Collective noun. Why? Because committee is having a number of members. So many number of members. Then number of members which collect together, which gathered together, which makes a committee. एक बड़ी committee बनाती है. So committee will be a collective noun here. Edward is my youngest brother. Edward उसका youngest brother है. So brother is which noun? You all have to think also ना. I'm answering all the questions but you need to think also. Then guess कि मेरा answer सही है कि नहीं. Is it a proper noun? Is it a collective noun? Or is it a common noun? See, brother क्या है? Brother means भाई. क्या उसका name यहाँ पे दिया है मैंने? No, so this will be not proper noun. Collective noun तो it's not possible. So brother will be common noun. हम अपने भाई को commonly क्या बुलाते हैं? Brother. But brother का भी एक name है. If the name will be given, so the name will be proper noun. But here is brother only given. एक सिर्फ brother बता रहा है. Which brother, whom brother नहीं पता. So brother will be common noun. Honesty is the best policy. The word honesty is a what? Which type of noun? Honesty क्या है? Is it a proper noun? No. Is it a collective noun? No. So, honesty is a abstract noun because honesty is a feeling, na? So, honesty will be what? Abstract noun. Next, a vast crowd gathered to witness the scene. In this sentence, which is noun crowd. Crowd means what? भीड़, बहुत सारी भीड़. Now you all can think ना, भीड़ है तो कौन सा noun हो सकता है? Is it a proper noun? No. Abstract noun? No. Third is collective noun. So crowd is what? Collection of many peoples. बहुत सारे लोग जब एक जगह पे gathered होते हैं, so this will make a crowd. So crowd is a collective noun. You all are right. Next, my cousin went to Paris last summer. मेरी cousin last summer यानी पिछले गर्मियों में पेरिस गई थी. Cousin is a collective noun. नो, कज़िन किसी चीज़ का कलेक्शन नहीं है. इज़ इट अ प्रॉपर नाउन? क्या ये किसी का एक प्रॉपर नाम है? नो. इज़ इट अ कॉमन नाउन? येस, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो नेम ऑफ कज़िन. इट इज़ अ कॉमन नेम. सो द आंसर विल बी कॉमन नाउन. कज़िन इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन. माई आर्मी मार्च्ड ऑन द सिटी. द वर्ड आर्मी इज़ अ, आर्मी ने सिटी में मार्च किया. आर्मी इज़ वॉट? I have discussed na, army is a collection of soldiers. Many soldiers makes army. So I hope you all are knowing the answer. What? Collective noun. Yes, very good. There are 12 months in a year. ना, एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं. So months is what? Is it a name of month? No. Commonly we say na month, but in month there are 12 name of months. So is it abstract noun? No, because no feeling is there. Is it a proper noun? क्या ये किसी का proper noun है? I don't know. Common noun? क्या ये किसी का common noun है? You all think the answer of this question. I will don't tell you this answer. So, okay, I'm telling the answer. Answer is common noun. So I really wish that this revision helps you very much in the understanding of types of nouns again. So I will give you some questions like this only in the written work. So I really wish that you all will be able to do that questions, because I have done lots of questions for you all. Will make you clear. So okay, bye bye.